swimming some trees.
So this is a few minutes after the eclipse, and
they
the
might
birds
just be,
are flying around like they're all agitated or freaked out or something.
Yeah, it might just be like morning, like they're about to go on their morning hunt
Yeah.
again or something.
Maybe.
They're flying around. Some of them are landing on the trees. But before the eclipse, there weren't any birds flying around.
Yeah.
This like stirred them up.
Yep.
Wow. And they weren't flying like quite normally. Like they weren't flying from point A to point B calmly. They were jerking around everywhere and circling and
Yes.
changing directions.
Like they were escaping predators or something.
Yeah. What if it's like kind of kicked in their fight or flight response, and now they're like kind of instinctively trying to flee or
They all
something?
feel like something's attacking them constantly. That might be.
Or just, it's just that's the way they react because something really weird just happened.
Yes.
These aren't predator birds, so if they think that they're being circled by a hawk, they'll fly away and agitate.
Right. Yeah.
Try to dart away from it.
Oh yes, absolutely.